Hey guys, so I'm gonna be singing Michelle by the Beatles, and I hope you enjoy this. Um, yeah, here goes. Michelle, my belle, these are words that go together well. My Michelle, Michelle, ma belle, sont des mots qui vont très bien ensemble. I love you, I love you, I love you. That's all I want to say until I find a way. I will say the only words I know that you'll understand. Michelle, ma belle, sont des mots qui vont très bien ensemble. I need to, I need to, I need to, I need to make you see what you mean to me. Until I do, I'm hoping you will know what I mean. I love you. Yeah.